Alrighty, I hope I'm live right now. Hello everybody, welcome back, and it's time to get started again. And today we are gonna be mainly focusing on the WebRTC section. Of course, that's gonna be the clone of Google Meet. It's not gonna be exactly the same, but we will try to add all the functionalities. So functionality wise, yeah, it is gonna be the clone of Google Meet. Look wise, it may not look exactly the same. Okay, so without any further delay, let's simply get started. And we'll try our level best to just simply get it done as soon as possible. And this is how it's gonna be going on. Let me check the status of the live, and once everything's clear and done, we'll be just simply getting started from here on. Alrighty, here we are. And as usual, the goal is simple. The goal is to give it 5 hours. That simply means by 3 o'clock or something we'll be done with this. Until then I have to just simply keep focusing on this, and once this is done, then that's okay, we'll keep going ahead. First of all, title should be day 36, and the remaining things are fine. Let me turn it off because of course I will not be able to be available here. And one last thing, let me turn on barrier. What is barrier? This is a software that helps use my mouse and keyboard on 2 devices at the same time. So if you don't know about this, do know it's really a good one. By the way, using this, if you have a laptop, then you can use your same mouse and keyboard for your desktop as well as the laptop, or 2 laptops, or you can create multiple ones. But before that I will have to get the configuration ready, but okay, that will be done very soon, not really a big problem. And let me spin up the code, spin up the project, and let's get the things done. So that was the Meet project, Google Meet app. Of course we have to work on many things, so let's simply get them done one by one. So here we are, and meanwhile let's do one thing. Let's simply run it once. Again, we have quite a lot of things here, but never mind. Let's simply run turbo dev, and the project is gonna run, because I wanna first of all get the barrier set up so that I'm able to use the same mouse and keyboard for 2 devices. So I don't really have to do much. The first thing is that I have to check the IP address from here, that is 10.144.44252, and I have to add it in my laptop. So 10.144.44252. Okay, done. Let me start the barrier on my laptop. Started. Let me start it here as well. Started. And is it connected? Let me check the logs. Waiting for the clients. It hasn't connected yet. Interesting. Am I using the Wi-Fi? Yeah, I am. What is the problem? Connecting to this device using this, so 10.44.44252. Oh, it should be working, but for some reason it doesn't work. Okay, reload it. Connecting. Okay, so stored barrier process exited. I have to start again. And okay, for some reason it doesn't work. Great, yeah. I mean, yesterday it was working and today it is not. So what else can I do? Laptop, this is fine. It's okay, let's not worry about this. I will fix it later. We'd better just focus on the most important thing right now. Yesterday I made it work. There were many things missing. I mean, they were not working. So somehow I made it work. Stop it, yeah. Today I'm facing the same problem again. Oh yeah, though I have 2 mouses for even operating them separately, so that's not really a big problem. I will fix it later. Let's simply focus on the project right now. So going to the web dev section, just give me a second. It's running on port 3000. Hang on for a sec. Alrighty, so isn't my camera, I think this much should be fine. No, this is not fine. Okay, let me set it up. Okay, this is fine. So what I was saying, coming back to this particular section, let me click on this. Hopefully the project is gonna be running right now. And once this is done, then I have to go to the meeting section. In meeting section I have to just simply check whether how it works and all. By the way, the size should be 100 by default, so let it be this much. And slash meeting slash 1234 So this is how it goes, this is how it works, and everything is fine. Apart from this particular thing, this is me, and the thing is that when I'm the only one, I have to even render it conditionally. So it should be kind of flex box. So what I'm actually using grid right now. So let me close everything. Coming back to this video section actually. So I have my top bar and all these things, and then I have this video grid. And when it comes to this particular video grid, so I'm rendering myself and I'm rendering other participants. That's good. And then of course video is also being rendered here. This name should be at the top, so somewhere here. So I can say relative. Once it is relative, class name absolute. Again we have to focus on the UI as well. Absolute. It's not like we have to make it the best one, but it should be, I mean, good enough, right? Top is gonna be 0 and left is gonna be 0. Let's see. So it's gonna be there. And let me do one thing. Left is gonna be around 3, top is also be around 3. How about this? So this is how it looks like. As for the name, I will have to increase text, so text is gonna be large, so text XL, and hopefully this is fine. And again, I don't need to have this name here. I can just simply remove it. U is just gonna be enough. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be going on. Apart from this particular thing, even I will have the hand raise functionality. So it's better to have a div here, just like this, and that div will contain two things here. Paragraph multiplied by 2. One is gonna be for you, another is gonna be for hand raise. But again, what is everything clear? I didn't even check this thing. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, things are clear. So the next thing is that I have to get the logo of the hand raise somehow. So let me back here. Let me go to Lucid React. Lucid React, because people should be able to raise hands as well. And in that case, I hope at the bottom I already have, if I'm not wrong. Coming back to this, well, I don't even have it here. I will have to add one more option over here, that is called hand raise option. But let me get the icon first of all. So where am I supposed to be searching from? Here, hand raise. Will I get something? Okay, it's still loading. Am I facing the network issue? Ah, I am. Okay, I'm actually facing the network issue, trying to fix that somehow. But because of that thing, my mobile is gonna be in under sun, whatever. It's gonna be under sunlight. But okay, can't really do anything. Right now the network connectivity is good. As you can see the green towers here. Okay, so it should be fine right now. Okay, coming back to this, I was looking for hand raise, and hopefully I will get this. It doesn't seem to be like that, so let's simply cut it, reload it once, done. So hand raise is not there. How about the hand? Well, that's bad. Yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, I think this should be enough. Let's copy JSX from here, come back to this particular section and import hand from here. That should be more than enough. So once this is imported, let's see how it looks like. Coming back to this, it looks like this. Okay, I have to change the color of this. So hopefully class name DG yellow or orange, around 500. Sorry, text. Nope. Hand raise SVG. Hand icons. Let me get them from here. And what I want right now, I will ask AI to create it for me, because that's very less possible. अरे यार कौन verify करेगा? Download free hand raise PNGs. Almost all the things are the same. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna be using this. From which website is this from? Okay, this is from this one. So it is just simply asking me to download what? Download SVG optimized. Okay, that's great. I already got that. Amazing job. As I got the SVG, so what will I be doing? Coming back to this particular section, I have the SVG in the download folder, and here it should be. It will be used inside web only. So let me create a public folder, and once that is a public folder, I think that should be available directly. Okay, I already have this public, and over here I need to have that particular image, I mean SVG image. So let me name it and rage SVG. Cut it from here. I hope I will be able to paste it here. Paste it here. Oh yeah, done. So once I have my SVG, then what will I be doing? Once I have it, so how do we render the SVGs? I think I need the image tag for that, and let's see if I'm not wrong. Slash SVG, sorry, handrage dot SVG. Not sure, but let's give it a try. Well, that's not rendered. Alt can be SVG. So I'm getting SVG. Okay. Okay, coming back to this particular section, this is how we cannot render them. So how are the SVGs rendered here directly? Okay. How about going to the page.tsx? I don't really have here this page.tsx, and inside this I must be rendering some of the files. Nope. Oh, that's crazy, yeah. I forgot this. How to render SVG viewer. How to use s.svg files in web page. So we do need image, and that. Oh well, I was going with the right way. So why is that not working? Maybe the path is the problem. So public, whatever we have inside public, that should be directly accessible. That simply means if I don't use this, can I use it directly? Handrage.svg. Oh, handrage RAISE. What is the name here? Public hand rage copy path. I could have copied the relative path as well. So if I just paste it here, what will happen? Still let me do one thing. The better thing would be this. Do I have test folder here? No. mkdir? No. Test. Bun is quite fast when it comes to initializing this stuff and importing the files and all. So in that case, I hope I have bun here. Bun create next app at the latest. I hope this is the right command. How can I check that? Next.js. Okay, so create should be separate. So bun create, next app should be together. Okay, never mind. Next app at the latest. This should be fine. And the main reason behind using bun is that it is fast. It will get the job done really quick. What fast? I mean, it is fast. I'm definitely missing something. Okay, this is fine. The network issue. My God. I'll have to keep my mobile. Let me fix this thing. Give me a moment, like a moment in the sense of a minute, and I will be fixing it. Just a sec. Okay, don't know how the result is gonna be looking like right now, but okay, things are well enough. Okay then, without any further delay, let's simply get going. The thing is that I had a kind of a curtain, and I've just simply removed that, and now at least I will not be facing the network issue that badly. Apart from this particular thing, everything else is gonna be all right. But let's see how that's gonna be going on. Hopefully this is gonna be great. I'm crazy, yaar. Literally, can I do something regarding this? I have one more option. Just a minute.